Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be installing all the intercooler piping and everything that we took off the other day to do the wrinkle black paint on and everything. Came out good, cured overnight and stuff. So check it out. Look at everything. It looks amazing. So there's certain parts on this one, I guess because it was powder coated underneath, I don't know. But if you look here, that's kind of like just smooth looking. But there's a spot here, and like one spot right here. But other than that, the rest of it came out beautifully. And then there was one part here that I completely missed when I was doing the painting it. But honestly, with a coupler, you won't even see it. It's right here. So when you have the coupler on there, you know, you won't really see that. So it is what it is, you know. But for the most part, what you will be seeing, it's gonna look good. So, yep. And then all this, everything came out beautifully on these pieces here, on the intercooler and everything. So enough talking, let's get it all installed. Guys, in the sun, all this looks amazing. Looks really good. So, I don't know, it's hard to tell. Like you just look at the intercooler and all these pieces here. I mean, that's the only part, like I said, but with the coupler you won't really see that, but everything else came out great. So I'm excited. Let's go ahead and pop this hood and get everything put on the car. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we'll start with this upper one, not trying to scratch nothing up. Alright guys, so we got all the intercooler piping on, as you can see. I do want to change these couplers, and I would like, if possible, to get it welded here and here and make this one whole piece, because if we ever got to take it off, we can literally just unbolt it there, unbolt it from the intercooler, and it'll pull this whole thing out. So there's less chances of boost leaks anywhere, or couplers popping, any of that kind of stuff, you know. But this is just for now until I can get this all welded. And I know it's gonna have to be modified anyways when we put a different intercooler on it. But for the most part, guys, it looks good. I'm happy with it. And I definitely want to change couplers, because this one's yellow and then this one's blue, that one's blue. Definitely want to change the couplers up and everything on it, so it all kind of flows, kind of like how that one is there, black. So do black couplers there and everywhere else. But let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think. How's it look? I'm gonna be doing this too, and probably gonna pretty much the whole turbo. Ceramic wrap or ceramic coat this, redo the manifold again, and we're gonna do the front of the turbo housing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this in wrinkle black or do a wrinkle red, because we're gonna be redoing the valve cover for the built engine in a wrinkle red, and then we're gonna like grind this down so you can kind of see where like polish looking. So should we do the housing wrinkle black or wrinkle red? Let me know in the comments so it can match this. And then yeah, we're gonna do the block, the head, all that on the built engine, which we'll be getting into all that stuff here soon. So if you guys don't want to miss that, just sub to the channel. That's all you got to do. And then we're gonna be doing the Mac valve and everything on it as well. Get that wired into the ECU. So yeah, progress is progress, guys. We also had a couple of requests from people that they want to hear the car. So let's go ahead and plug in the ECU and start this baby up for y'all. Alright, so the ECU is plugged in. Now let's give it some power. It's got power. Now give it some ignition. Oh yeah. Let it warm up for a second. 85. Low on fuel, very low. It's almost on E, like if not, it is on E. That sun is like right there, boy. But yeah, I mean it's on E. Look at that. We gotta get some E85 in this thing. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so we got the intercooler piping done. And in the last video, this video, we got it all installed and everything. It looks good. I'm excited to get some more work done on this car. A lot more coming up. So we got to get some E85 in this thing. We got to get that rear Lexan window done. We gotta get the Lexan windows done on the doors. A lot still to do. The cage work. And finish gutting it. Cutting a little bit out of it. Sound deadening. Paint, body work, all that. Which that's gonna probably be the next big thing we do. Is all the body work and paint on this thing. So we can get it looking right. And then from there, Lexan windows. And then cage. Yeah. But all that can happen a lot quicker and sooner if all you guys want to do is just sub to the channel. It helps tremendously, and smash that like button, leave your comment down below. It helps so much, and like more than I can explain. Especially on a small YouTube channel trying to grow, it means a lot to us. So yeah, so please smash that like button if you guys like the video. Share these videos if you have friends and homies that are into Hondas and want to see stupid shit that we do on this channel. Go ahead and share it to them, or go ahead and subscribe. It means the world to me. But with that being said, guys, it's gonna be the end of this video. I do hope you all enjoy and consider subscribing. So peace out and God bless.